Ready to boost your tech game? In today's fast-paced world, staying ahead with the latest technology is crucial. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves exploring new apps, these AI tools can make your life easier and more efficient. Let's dive into 6 must-have free AI apps that you need to download today. First up, DeepSeek. This innovative AI chatbot from China is making waves for its user-friendly interface and powerful capabilities. Unlike many other chatbots, DeepSeek is completely free and doesn't require any subscription fees, making it accessible to everyone. DeepSeek is designed to assist you with a variety of tasks, from answering questions to providing recommendations. It's particularly useful for fact-checking, ensuring that the information you receive is accurate and reliable. The pros of DeepSeek are its efficiency and its ability to help with fact-checking. However, it does have some limitations. For instance, it lacks a memory function, which means it can't remember past interactions. Additionally, there are potential data sourcing issues that users should be aware of. Next on our list is Google Assistant. This AI-powered assistant seamlessly integrates with Google services and smart home devices, making it a versatile tool for managing your daily tasks. With Google Assistant, you can set reminders, check the weather, control smart home devices, and even play your favorite music, all with simple voice commands. It's like having a personal assistant right in your pocket. One of the standout features of Google Assistant is its voice command functionality. You can ask it anything and it will provide you with accurate and timely responses. However, to use Google Assistant, you need a Google account, and there are some privacy concerns to consider. Moving on to our third app, Microsoft Bing Chat. Powered by the advanced GPT-4 AI model, Bing Chat offers a range of capabilities that make it a powerful tool for information retrieval and interaction. Bing Chat provides up-to-date information and even includes citations for verification, ensuring that the data you receive is credible. This makes it an excellent choice for research and fact-checking. However, there are a couple of downsides. You might need a Microsoft account to access all its features, and there can be occasional inaccuracies in the information provided. Despite these minor drawbacks, Bing Chat remains a valuable tool for anyone seeking reliable information. Next up is Socratic by Google, an app designed specifically for students. Socratic covers multiple subjects and provides step-by-step solutions to problems, making it an invaluable resource for homework help and study support. One of the best features of Socratic is that it's ad-free, allowing students to focus on their studies without distractions. It uses AI to break down complex problems into manageable steps, helping students understand the material better. However, Socratic does require internet access to function, and it might not cover advanced topics in detail. Despite these limitations, it's a fantastic tool for students of all ages. Fifth on our list is Perplexity AI, an AI search engine that provides direct answers with citations. This app is perfect for those who need quick and accurate information without having to sift through multiple search results. Perplexity AI is free to use and supports voice recognition, making it a convenient tool for on-the-go searches. Whether you're looking for quick facts or detailed explanations, Perplexity AI has got you covered. However, it might struggle with handling complex queries and has limited customization options. Despite these minor issues, it's a great tool for anyone in need of quick and reliable information. Finally, we have ChatPDF. This unique tool allows you to interact with PDFs conversationally, extracting key information and summaries with ease. It's perfect for anyone who works with a lot of documents and needs to quickly find specific information. ChatPDF boosts productivity by making it easier to navigate through large documents. However, it may struggle with heavily formatted or scanned PDFs, which can limit its effectiveness in some cases. There you have it. 6 awesome AI apps that you can download today to enhance your productivity, learning, and daily tasks. Each of these apps offers unique features and benefits, making them valuable additions to your digital toolkit. Which one are you trying first? Let us know in the comments. Your feedback helps us bring you more content that you love. Happy downloading! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and app recommendations. See you in the next video.